Hello guys, welcome to my vlog and welcome to Quirino State University Cabarrones Campus. We are here at the platform of the university. We are here at the admin buildings. That is the admin building 1 and this is the admin building 2. Welcome to Teachers Education Department. So we're going to the SBA department now. Huwag kang maingay. Welcome to the Business Education Department. Guys, we're going to the Civil Engineering Department. Welcome to the Civil Engineering Department and going to the Hospitality Management Department. Now we are here at the Hospitality Management Department. Welcome to the Hospitality Management Department. Welcome to the Midwifery Department. Now we are going to the Knowledge Center over there. Here the Knowledge Center. Oh, what? Are at the Criminology Department. Welcome to Computer Science Department. Now we're going to the canteen of the university. This is the canteen of our university. Now we're going to the guidance office. Let's go. Now I'm here at the guidance office, the scholarship office, together with the guidance, counseling, and admission services. Now we are here at the parking area of the university. Now we are here at the parking area of the faculty and staff. I'm here at the exit, and that is the dormitory for exclusive for the girls, and this is the stalls